In this video, we are going to see that if you want to remove the duplicates from your data and only keep the unique values so that you can perform some calculations or whatever you want, how we can do that. So here in this particular example, let's say that I want to use the grade here. I want to filter all the grades. Let's say I want to count them using a formula, but I don't want to mention them one by one. One is A plus. I don't want to write that. What I will do is I'll just completely copy this particular column, copy this, paste it right here. But as we can see here, two problems. One, as soon as I pasted it here, it automatically turns everything to fail. Why? Because it had a formula and the formula just moved from that position. So it's not able to work. What is the solution of that? We have already seen this. And now it's getting interesting because this is the time where you apply what you have learned. How can I simply paste this here without getting any error? How can I remove the formula and just paste the values? Yes, just right click here, go to paste special and paste special as values only. That's what you need to do. Click OK. And now we have all the grades, but they are in the repeated form. I just want it to be unique and only mentioned one time. So now I have to remove the duplicates. Just keep the data selected and just go to the data and select remove duplicates. It will ask you just to confirm that if your data is in Q column, that's perfectly mentioned. Click OK, and 44 duplicate values found and removed, 7 unique values remain. And that's how you can simply do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.